Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be back at you again today for another video. Now excuse my voice if I sound a little bit groggy. The time is 5:46 in the morning and I literally just woke up about half an hour ago, so excuse me. But the point of today's video, guys, is I want to share with you guys my hair routine, what I like to do to my hair before I have a retwist done. Now, if it's your first time on my channel, thank you for stopping by. Hello, how are you? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time of day it is where you are. And if you're not new here, big at yourself. Thank you for stopping by to watch today's video. Now, some of you know, some of you don't know, but I have got locks. Underneath all of the wigs that I wear, I have got hair. Now, I must confess, this hair has been through a lot. Now, I'm so lazy with my hair, and it's partly because I know that my hair thrives well when I don't do too much to it. Now, don't get me wrong, like I moisturize and all of that stuff, but I don't do too much as far as putting my hands in or styling. Besides, it's not long enough to, you know, put into styles anyway. So I have my hair appointment at 10 o'clock this morning, so I had to get up super early to wash, deep condition and everything else I like to do before I have a reloc. Now, I don't do my own retwisting or relocking. I go to a loctician. So today I am going to go in and give my hair a deep clean. So I have a hell of a lot of new growth. She has her work cut out for her this morning, so the least I can do is go in with a very clean, very moisturized, very supple hair for her to handle. I'm going to just sit down and show you what I like to use to cleanse my hair. Now, because you know it's been weeks since I did a last shampoo of my hair, I'm going to go in with something with a shampoo that gives me super clean hair. The shampoo that I like to use is the African black soap, hip and neem oil and geranium oil shampoo. Well, it says it's a facial cleanser and makeup remover and moisturizer, but because all of the ingredients in this cleanser is all natural, it works great for my hair. It works for me for a deep clean. And the ingredients in here are water, shea butter, copra oil, palm kernel oil, cocoa pod ash, rosehip oil, neem oil, geranium oil, and ylang ylang oil. I'm just going to show that to you so that you can see for yourself as well. So it's really just packed full of natural ingredients. There's no detergents, no parabens, no SLS, no synthetic ingredients in this cleanser whatsoever. And for that reason, I use it for my hair and it works great. It goes in and just absolutely deep cleanses the hair. When I say it deep cleanses the hair, it strips the hair of all the dirt. In fact, all of your oils. You come out and your hair feels really clean but really dry. So when I go into the shower, I like to use this cleanser twice. So I go around the first time, and the first time you don't really get a lot of lather from it. It's just really more like the dirt coming out of your hair. And then I go back in a second time to make double sure that my hair is double clean. This is clearly not gonna do me for 2 washes this morning, but I've got another bottle ready to go. And I buy this particular product from Amazon. They come in at just under £10 for. It's really great. I love it. It works for me. So once I go in and I use this cleanser twice, then what I like to do is I will then pick up my Cream of Nature Argan Oil Moisture and Shine shampoo. I really like this shampoo because it's got no sulfates, no paraben, and it's quite a hydrating shampoo. It lathers well and it cleans well as well. The reason why I go in with this is because it is a hydrating shampoo, so I begin to rehydrate my hair with this shampoo. Now I'm gonna go off to the shower and go and shampoo my hair, and when I come back we'll get into deep conditioning. I'm gonna show you my hair before I go in, just so you can see the state of disrepair and how appalling my hair looks right now. So this is my hair before. It's very dirty, as you can see. I'll show you the back. Okay, so I'll see you guys real soon. Okay guys, so I'm fresh out the shower. Now I'm going to go in and apply my DIY avocado deep conditioning treatment.
I'm feeling so hollow, don't you know?
I completely eyeball my ingredients. I don't have any set measurements. I probably should, but I don't. And I really like this deep conditioning treatment because it just really hydrates my hair, especially since my hair has been through a couple of weeks of basically torture. It needs the hydration. On my lazy days when I really can't be asked, I would reach for the organics hair mayonnaise, the ones that you can get from the beauty supply store. This is a really good homemade deep conditioning treatment. It's great not just for locks but also for your natural hair as well. So I'm going to go in now and apply this deep conditioning treatment. When you make your mixture, you want to make it creamy and not too runny, because if it's too runny then it's just going to dribble everywhere. So the creamier it is, the better for you. And I'm just applying it really generously through my scalp and all over the hair as well.
Oh, don't you know I'm living in shadow? Don't you know? Don't you know?
After having applied this deep conditioner all over my hair, and as you can see I've really saturated my hair with it, I will then put on my cap.
Fell for fools, gold, I fell for fools, gold.
So at this point you can just leave this on and, you know, go about your business around the house, and you can keep it in for as long as you want. I'd probably say about an hour to 4 hours. With my leftover conditioning treatment, what I like to do is put it in a container and just keep it refrigerated. It's all natural stuff in there, so it's not gonna go bad as long as it's kept in the refrigerator. Now I've got this on. I'm going to put on my conditioning cap because I need to speed up my deep conditioning process this morning.
What did I know? What did I know?
So I'm gonna sit here for the next hour, maybe hour and a half, to just help me, you know, deep condition my hair. And I'll see you guys on the other side of the clock. Okay guys, so I've been sitting with the conditioning cap on my head for about an hour and a half. Now I'm going to go in the shower and just rinse and wash off the deep conditioner. To help me further, to help me really get the deep conditioner out of my hair, I'm going to go in with my Cream of Nature, and this time I'm going to use the intensive conditioner, and I'm essentially going to use this as a co-wash. So I'm first going to rinse off the deep conditioner as much as I can, and just to make sure that I absolutely get everything out. What the fuck was I about to say? And just to make sure I absolutely get everything out of my hair, I'm going to use intensive conditioning treatment as well. So I'm just going to go to the shower and do that now, and then we'll just do the final bits of prepping my hair for a retwist. Okay guys, so I am fully cleansed now, and so is my hair. My hair at this point feels really squeaky clean, which I'm so happy about, and it's absolutely super moisturized. It feels really soft, and like the new growth just feels real fluffy and moisturized and just nourished. So I'm ready to go on to the final step that I need to do before I go out the house, and that is my hot oil treatment. I like to do that as well before I go in to have a retwist or a reloc. I will not be sharing that in this video because I didn't want this video to be I didn't want it to be a lot. I just wanted to focus on my washing and my deep conditioning routine. Other than that, I think I've covered the key points in this video that I intended to. This DIY avocado deep conditioning treatment is really great for really dry hair. So if you want to have your hair back to a very moisturized and balanced state, I would highly recommend that you do this at home. Again, all of the ingredients that you need are ingredients that you can find in the stores, and they're super inexpensive. The other thing that I need to mention is as far as preparing the conditioner, my recommendation is only put in the blender the edible products. So only your avocado, only your mayo, only your yogurt, and you can go in with a dash of the olive oil in the blender. I would not recommend that you put your essential oils in your blender, especially if it's a blender that you use for other stuff in your kitchen as well. But other than that, and also be sure that you thoroughly blend the ingredients, because it can be really annoying when you have chunks of avocado left in your hair. That is not what we want. Make sure that you blend the ingredients to a really creamy state. You want it to be creamy, and that is the consistency that we're going for. The other thing is, you can go in with a little bit of water if you blend it and you find it to be too creamy or too thick. Only thing is, I would say don't overdo it with the water, because it can be a bit of a nightmare when you're applying the conditioner to your hair. If it's too runny, it's just gonna drop everywhere. So with that being said, that covers it all. If there's anything I forgot to address, or if you have any questions, please be sure to hit me up in the comment section below. I always respond to all of my comments and questions. Thank you so much for watching this video. If it's your first time here and so far you have enjoyed what you've seen, please be sure to hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed yet, only if you enjoy though, okay? And also the notification bell, so that every time I upload a video you're well aware and you can come over and show me some love. And to my OG subscribers, to my OG viewers, thank you so much for watching today's video. I will see you guys in the next video real soon. Until then, as always, be good, stay safe, take care of yourself, and I love you all. Peace, guys.
I fell for